Hello everyone, welcome back! In today's video, I will prepare this gel for the skin using green tea and also aloe vera extract. If you want tips on how to make your own gel to hydrate your skin, then watch this video. And if you are not subscribed to the channel, take the opportunity to subscribe. Leave your like and comment, hit the notification bell and share this video and seize every opportunity to live a more natural life. The preparation of this gel is quite simple. Let's start by putting the glycerin in a container. Glycerin is a powerful humectant. This means it helps attract water to the skin, thus helping to maintain the natural hydration barrier. I am also using xanthan gum, which will be responsible for forming the gel. And I will mix well until the two ingredients are combined. Now let's add the green tea glycerite extract. If you haven't seen the video where I show how to make your own glycerite extracts, I will leave the link in the description below. Now just mix the three ingredients well. And I'm going to set these ingredients aside for a few minutes until the xanthan gum is hydrated. Meanwhile, in another container, I'll mix the other liquids. Here I've already measured out 62 milliliters of water, to which I'm going to add the peppermint hydrosol. I will also add fresh aloe vera extract. The link to the video on how to extract aloe vera gel is also in the description below. After mixing well, I am now going to combine the two phases. For that, I will gradually add the liquids to the xanthan gum and mix well until the water is fully absorbed by the gum before adding more water. At this stage, you'll need to have a bit of patience, especially during the first additions. Alternatively, you can gradually add the gum to the water while whisking vigorously until fully hydrated. Use whichever method works best for you. The next step is just to add the preservative. The preservative I'm using will protect the product for up to 30 days. I will leave all the measurements of the ingredients for this recipe in the description below. Now just put it in a jar for 80 milliliters. The final consistency will be achieved between 12 and 24 hours. Now just enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share it with your friends. Hit the notification bell so you know when a new video comes out. Leave a comment below and see you in the next video.